welcome, man. Y'all see that sign right there? Yes, that points toward my destination, guys. I am headed to the world famous pull apart, guys. Yes, guys, I have to come out here. I have a customer with a 08, I want to say, Caravan. Now, I can't say I want to say because this is very important. Considering the part I'm in search of. Okay, when you're dealing with computers, guys, you cannot be like unknowledgeable of what kind of vehicle you're dealing with, because with computers, most of the time you need to match the part numbers. You need to match the year, make, and model of the vehicle you're searching for a part for. In this case, I'm going after an ABS module for a 08 Dodge Grand Caravan or a Chrysler Town & Country. Now, I don't know if you know this, guys, but the ABS module are on major intergalactical. I always have a problem with that word. Back order. Okay, in other words, you cannot get one new. All right, so I'm dealing with one of my personal customers, and I refuse to have her riding around potentially with no brakes. I'm not sure it'll cause you not to have brakes, because, guys, the base braking system will still function. You just will not have ABS operation, analog brake system. Okay, but she is one of those customers that gets annoyed with lights, okay, such as this, guys. Now, this is my vehicle. I am aware of all of my problems, okay, as a tail light, lightning bolt. In fact, Easy Does It remind me every time he get a glimpse of my dash of how much of a Christmas tree I'm having. But I am aware of all this, and I'm gonna take care of that. Some people literally cannot ride around with one light on, just say a tire light. They will panic. Okay, now I understand, all right, the fear, okay, but so I want to get her a module and get her light out so she will not have any fears. All right, it doesn't matter how much I try to convince her, it'll be fine. No, she want that light out, so I'm here to get her a module. I brought my tool bags, and snagging off an ABS module is, I don't know, I wouldn't say easy, but you do have to be careful. And like I say, the main thing is trying to make sure you match the year, make, and model, or for that matter, even the part number. Yes, try to get got my jump box right here. I ain't gonna need it, but I did remember this is my side job bag, guys. I take this with me when I'm going side hustling to do mechanic work. Now, guys, yes, I'm here, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all can come along with me, and y'all ain't doing nothing. Hang tight, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so 08 model, either, like I say, the Dodge Grand Caravan or a Town & Country. This look like the body style. Oh, how lucky can a man get? Oh, no engine, no facial, no nothing. Guess what, guys? ABS module right here. Let me make sure this what year is this first? How lucky can your boy get? Why is this? What is going on? Yeah, somebody got the TV monitors. If you need some TV monitors, guys, don't spend. Just come out here and grab these plugs. I've replaced many of these. All right, but I didn't come out here for all this. JT, stay focused. Somebody got the axles out. Man, how lucky can you get? And on top of that, I'm lucky enough to get it a spark plug socket. All right, this is all I'm interested in. Easy peasy, baby. You know why? Because it's right here. Hey, I ain't even got to bend nothing out of the way. Just a straight T20 shot. T20 torque bit is what I'm referring to. So, guys, man, it's almost unfair this easy. I ain't got no work to do. But it be like that sometimes. I mean, sometimes you feel calmer from a good side, okay? All the things you done. It's by the time you catch a break, right? Right. All right, let me put this bag down. Go in this bag. Grab some tools, guys. Y'all hold tight. I'll be right back.
Alright guys, as you can see, I got it out. Now guys, what y'all didn't see off camera was, y'all see this? Man, this little rusted out thing stripped out. So I got my little tool, it just rounded off, guys. I had to break out these. Okay, I had to get a bite. It was only one that jammed up on me. Look at this. I hate doing this. I normally don't, because somebody may need this hydraulic unit. I had to bend these lines to get them out the way, just so I can get a pair of vice grips on here and get a bite and turn. Oh, you talking about panic mode. I got down to the last one to take off, and it just rounded out. Well, anyway, you got to stay focused, guys, when this happens. All right, but I got it out. So, mission accomplished. I got what I needed. Ooh, righty, guys. I am done. 45 bucks. I don't even know if she knew what it was. She probably thought it was a BCM or something. A lot of the women that they hire here don't know exactly what they're dealing with. Now, so the question becomes, I get this question a lot. I thought I made a video on that showing, telling the answer. The question is these plug and play? No, guys. ABS module is not plug and play per se. Now, you will have to, at least last one I did, I had to initialize it. Meaning I had to marry it to the car. I had to drive the car at a certain speed, turn the wheel and things like that. I can't think of the proper name for that. It might be called initialization. But yeah, you can plug it in. I think if you fire it up, you're going to get some warning like ABS not online or something like that. But I thought I did a video. If not, I'll do a video when I install this to answer that question. So I would try only verbally to answer it now. No, can't just simply plug it in and go. All right, some things, and which begs the other question: will your scan tool let you do this? If not, guys, don't do this job. I'm telling you guys, this is embarrassing to just simply go to a customer house and replace a module and not be able to finish the job because you do not have the proper scan tools or whatever, to program it. All right, they're not going to want to pay you. You didn't complete the job, so you in essence just wasting your time. So try to avoid that, guys. Learn your scan tool, learn its limitation, what it can and can't do, so you will not be shocked with these surprises and things like that. All right, guys, well, I'm done. I've wasted enough time. Oh, I wouldn't call it a waste of time, but I've used up enough of my free time on pull apart. All right, so yeah, don't worry about that. I got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to head on back to the shop and see if I can get this thing running. I'll let y'all know, man. Just stay tuned for part 2. Y'all will know or y'all will know how I go by programming the module and things like that. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.